The Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, is a powerful yet affordable smartwatch that delivers essential Apple Watch features for everyday use. It offers advanced fitness and sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, and safety tools like crash detection and fall detection, helping you stay active and secure. Powered by the fast S8 chip and featuring a bright Retina display with up to 18-hour battery life, it provides smooth performance and seamless connectivity with your iPhone. Starting at number 1. Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, GPS 40mm, Smartwatch. The Apple Watch SE is a feature-packed smartwatch designed to keep you motivated, active, connected, and safe. Powered by watchOS 11, it offers enhanced intelligence, personalization, and connectivity. With a rectangular 40mm screen, 32 GB of storage, and built-in GPS, it provides essential features like fall detection, crash detection, emergency SOS, and advanced workout metrics. The watch allows you to send texts, take calls, listen to music and podcasts, use Siri, and stay connected via your iPhone or Wi-Fi. It includes health monitoring features such as notifications for irregular heart rhythms or unusually high/low heart rates, along with activity tracking and cycle tracking. With a sleek design, lithium-ion battery, Bluetooth and 802.11n wireless standards, the Apple Watch SE delivers incredible value for staying healthy, connected, and safe. Number 2. Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, GPS, 40mm, Midnight Aluminum Case. The Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, GPS, 40mm, Midnight Aluminum Case with Midnight Sport Band, M/L, renewed, delivers the functionality of a modern smartwatch in a sleek, refurbished design. Featuring fitness and sleep tracking, a heart rate monitor, and safety features like crash detection, it helps you stay active, healthy, and connected throughout the day. Its water-resistant, lightweight build and comfortable sport band make it perfect for everyday wear, combining style, performance, and sustainability in one device. Number 3. Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, GPS, 40mm. The Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, GPS, 40mm, Starlight aluminum case with Starlight Sport Band, S/M, renewed premium, offers the same sleek design and functionality as a new model, now in a refurbished premium condition. It features comprehensive fitness and sleep tracking, a heart rate monitor, and safety capabilities like crash detection, allowing you to monitor your health and stay connected with ease. With its lightweight, water-resistant design and comfortable sport band, this smartwatch combines style, performance, and reliability, all at a more sustainable value. Number 4. Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen. The Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, GPS 40mm, features a stylish Starlight aluminum case paired with a Starlight Sport Band, S/M, offering both comfort and elegance. This smartwatch comes equipped with fitness and sleep tracking, a heart rate monitor, and advanced safety features like crash detection, helping you stay active, healthy, and secure throughout your day. Its intuitive design ensures easy access to notifications, workouts, and health insights right from your wrist. Number 5. Apple Watch SE 3. The Apple Watch SE 3, GPS 40mm, comes with a sleek Starlight aluminum case and a matching Starlight Sport Band, S/M, combining style with functionality. This smartwatch features advanced fitness and sleep trackers, a heart rate monitor, and an always-on display, allowing you to stay connected and monitor your health effortlessly. It is water-resistant, making it suitable for everyday wear and active lifestyles, while its intuitive design ensures seamless interaction with notifications, workouts, and health insights, all from your wrist. Thanks for watching until the end. If you want to snag the best price on the Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen, I've done the digging for you. All the links to the best deals, whether you want GPS only, cellular, or the best renewed options, are waiting for you in the video description box below. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for any flash sales. If this video helped you save some cash or make a decision, smash that like button to help others find it too, and hit subscribe to stay ahead of the curve in the 2026 tech game. I'll see you in the next one.